Before we now go in and actually start creating our own projects, we want to clarify what we mean by OS operations by this first subchapter. The idea behind this topic is to take away a lot of the repetitive work that you have to do when, for example, renaming files, moving files, editing files. As you can see on the schema here, there are a lot of things you can do on your system that are repetitive tasks that can be automated. One of the projects we're going to create here is a cleanup script for directories. And as you can see, sometimes we have a lot of files that are just laying around and we want to clean up and move them into their respective folders. We will only create a few projects here that are covering most of the tooling that you need in order to do that. At the end of the course, we will give you a list of possible projects you can do yourself that are taking the things that you learned in this course to the next level by implementing even bigger projects and more interesting projects. So let's dive right into the first project and learn how to use OS operations in order to automate your everyday work.